right, we have here Resolution 2019-116, a resolution of the Board of County Commissioners of Nassau County, Florida, proclaiming the week of July 27th through August 4th, 2019 is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week began in 2012, and whereas this celebration of the living legacy of Gullah Geechee history, heritage, and culture came about due to the work of St. Helena Island native Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet and Kwame Shah founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in 2005, which is the culminating event of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and whereas Queen Quet has been spreading awareness regarding the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and has headed numerous endeavors that have led to global recognition, and whereas the Gullah Geechees have an extensive history in Nassau County that includes both the enslavement and self-determination of the Gullah Geechee people through the history of Amelia Island, Old Town, Yulee, Nassauville, Franklintown, and American Beach, and whereas Fernandina served as a point of disembarkation of Africans along our shoreline, as well as a place of Gullah Geechee subsistence fishing and spiritual nourishment, and whereas Nassau County supports the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan, which seeks to protect this historic coast and keep Gullah Geechee cultural alive on it, and whereas Queen Quet has led several libation ceremonies in Old Town, including the Middle Passage Marker ceremony, at which the Peck Ensemble sang the spirituals created by the Gullah Geechees, and whereas many Gullah Geechees have visited and continue to visit historic American Beach, and whereas the Nassau County Board of County Commissioners acknowledges the native Gullah Geechees of the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina, to Jacksonville, Florida, through the Sea Islands and Low Country, and support the honoring of their ancestors that built this region and the continuation of this rich and cultural heritage. Now therefore be it resolved by the Board of County Commissioners in Nassau County, Florida, this 24th day of June 2019, that 1. The Board hereby proclaims the week of July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. 2. The Board calls upon all citizens and visitors to take part in activities associated with Gullah Geechee Nation, which coincide with global activities for the United Nations International Decade of People of African Descent. And 3, the Board extends their best wishes as they celebrate Healin' the Land and Holdin' Pun the Culture. You'd like to say a couple of comments too?
Thank you. All 100 children were there this evening, especially the commissioners and things like that. I know me living in DMPM, and I got one of the commissioners down there to crack your teeth like this, you know. Next time I come down here, the whole meeting will be in Gullah. You know what I mean? I just said the next time I come down, the whole meeting will be in Gullah, right? I got one commissioner. I guess not, huh? We need a workshop. So that was a great response, guys. Yes, I'm so happy to be in Florida for the second day. I actually flew into Florida yesterday from Barbados, went back to my island, St. Helena Island in South Carolina, to make sure I got back here for this meeting tonight. And so that tells you how much I love Nassau County, how much I appreciate you for celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for all these years. And now to know we've gotten to the point where 100 children to try for crack your teeth like a wee and things like that. All right? And so we know that our culture is thriving, surviving, and influencing this board now. That's a good thing. And so much so that I definitely have to acknowledge some of our elders that are here with me tonight, that live here, that grew up here, that are traditions keepers here. And I want to acknowledge our representative for the Gullah Geechee Nation here first. And we're going to see Representative Glenda Simmons Jenkins. Would you stand up? She's not afraid to come on here. We have Ms. Jean, who is on our Assembly of Representatives here. And we have Ms. Rose. We've done, and so some of those libations you mentioned in here were actually done in Old Town at the Rhodes family property down there in Old Town. So it is a blessing to have them here, and then to have the next generation right next to her. All right, we have Xavier here, and she is one of your college students now. But she started out coming and being part of the celebration and being here just about every year that you've given it. So she went from here to here to here, all right, and she's now going to be the next one that'll be standing up here later in them days when I can't make this run from South Kakalaki down there. You'll come get this for me, right? Yes. And so it is a blessing to know that this county is still taking pride in the Gullah Geechee culture that truly is a foundation to Nassau County. And so we look forward to celebrating with you again this year and having activities here in the county so that we can, that way when I come down in the thing like that ain't cracking feet like this, y'all won't look at me like this. And we gotta have more events so that y'all get used to hearing the language a lot more here, because we know so many people have lost the language here, but they're still holding the land and holding their traditions and holding the culture. And we're proud that every year this county takes the time to acknowledge that, and we appreciate you. So I talk about you wherever I go around the world, especially if I find anywhere that has another town name like one here in Nassau County. I quickly mention the pride that I take in the fact that you all here in Florida are our southernmost point of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and that you the whole Pony culture will celebrate them with me and things like that. So thank you, God bless you, and continue the journey. So next year, all of y'all will have to learn some Gullah before
We have a motion to approve the resolution from Commissioner Lieber, second from Commissioner Ford. Call vote. And record the vote.
5 ayes, no nays.
Well, I want to tell them to do this show, the Queen Quet, coming to Hunter from Nassau County down in Florida. Yeah, we almost to the bottom of the Gullah Geechee Nation, because just going a little bit further and we'll be down in Jacksonville, Florida. But where we today at right now, we today in a place called Yeddi, okay? Now, plenty of time when Hunter children to watch Gullah Geechee TV, Hunter don't see me in Yeddi, you don't see me in Nassauville, you don't see me in Old Town, you don't see me all around. And you done hear me crack my teeth with some of the elders. Now, some of Hunter children remember this your face. You'll say, I see that lady before, and whatnot. We be singing together and shouting and carrying on all these different times over the years when I've been down here. And Sister Rose, how Hunter to do? How you doing?
Doing good, great.
Yeah.
Thanks to good Lord.
Yeah, I know that's right. Praise God. So now tell me, you a native of this county, right?
Yes, I was born and raised in Nassau County.
So what part of Nassau County was you born in?
In a little community called Nassauville.
Nassauville, so right where the church is.
Yes.
So Little Mount Olive. So Hunter children done see Little Mount Olive over and over and over on Gullah Geechee TV. That's why y'all know this face. So now, tell me how your family connects to Little Mount Olive. That's a long one.
That's a long one. That's a long one.
That's a long one.
Now, it takes my son to tell y'all.
They're all in history.
William, yes,
William
yes.
Jefferson, y'all.
Yes, and but through my grandparents, and through my mother,
Yeah.
and you know after her is us.
I know that's right. So you're holding on.
Yes,
And luckily your son is holding on.
Yes, yes.
So you got somebody you know after
Yeah,
you
yeah.
that is going to hold on to it.
Yes.
So now tell me this. Tonight, this your first time being here when I've gotten this proclamation to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, right?
Was this my first time?
In the county one.
For this?
When I've gotten this proclamation.
Yes.
Right? So what do you think about the county acknowledging our culture
I
here?
think it's great. I think it's great. I think it's nice. I think it's a blessing.
I know that's right.
It's a blessing.
I agree with you. That's a blessing.
Yes.
Yes. So now, being an elder, what would you want the next generation to get out of the acknowledgement of our culture, to know about their culture?
I would like for them to do research
Okay.
and, you know, and find out all the information and whatever you know about the
Who we are.
yeah, who we are, who started it, how it was landed, and
Oh,
all
yes.
like that. So
Yes. so that they can pass
it on down to their children.
Yes, yes. And I got to give you honor and credit because you've done that with your son for sure.
Yes.
You passed on a lot of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and all them shouts we done, and all them libations we done, and all that ain't for nothing, ain't like dry long so as we say. So I just thank you for all the years and all the understanding that you get all of me. And we're so glad that you're here this evening, and I know you're going to be there celebrating with me the end of July.
Where, here?
Yes, here.
Here?
It'd be nice if you come to South Kakalaki for once too, but I'd at least get you here.
Every time she asks me, I'm involved in
You were doing something else. I know the feeling. Ain't no love lost.
I'm involved in something else.
Yes, ain't no love lost. Hopefully we get together though.
Okay.
All right. Peace and many blessings.
Thank you.
Now, 100 children, you know if you did with me this year, the work going on. Well, how 100 children to do? I'm so glad that 100 to tune in one more again to Gullah Geechee TV. You know what 100 did with me, 100 going know this shit what going on. And the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee nation. And y'all often Yeddi but that part, but y'all ain't Yeddi but the other rest of the body, right? If you got one head, where the rest of the body be? Well, part of the body, do we assembly of representatives. So this year, the Miss Jean, I just call her Miss Jean so long, I ain't first remember say last name, but Thompson. Okay, so Miss Jean, right here, been with we done do so much of thing together over the years. We done been to so many different churches right here. We done did libation all the way from American Beach to your church, to Nassauville, to Old Town. Miss Jean be there singing with we, shouting with we, and London the children, but who we be. So it's so glad to see you, Miss Jean. You finally show up when we get the one to represent us. Yes. So how you feel about the county giving us this?
I am so excited.
Yeah.
I am really excited when they did this.
Isn't this a blessing?
It's a blessing, I tell you.
Yes, because this your hometown for true, right? So you were born and raised there.
Well, I was born in McLean, Minnesota. I was raised right in Yeddi.
Really?
I came here too.
Oh, you were 2 when you got to Yulee. So we literally in your stomping ground. So you're going to run all through this when you've been dirt road, not on the wide highway out there, right? Dirt road. Wow. Walking them. I know that's right. So now, how do you feel about what's going on now with the young people? What would you say to them in terms of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week that you would want the younger people to do?
I want the young people to realize who they are, where they came from,
Right.
where our forefathers came from,
Right.
and so they can learn this and understand.
Yes.
A lot of them just really don't know.
Right.
And I want them to know.
Right.
They need to know.
Definitely. And so now once we know better, Hunter supposed to do better, right?
That's right.
And so definitely we appreciate you for all the years, all the work Hunter done put in, but let the children know who we be down
And I'll
here.
continue to let them know.
Please, thank you,
I
ma'am.
will. You are so welcome.
Yes,
And I am so, I am really happy.
yes. I can see that big old smile on your face. When I look, I ain't even had to turn around. I could feel the heat in my back from your smile. She was definitely the Florida sunshine in the building, y'all. So definitely it's so wonderful to have her and Miss Rhodes with us this evening. But this your honor. Y'all just don't know. It's shouting time. So 100 children, if you deal with me, 100 going know this year. The work going on.
It's narrow, there's no sidewalks, we don't want to.
Well, how 100 children to do? You know this year the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And 100 done see and give we this proclamation, the seed and the thing like that, right here in Nassau County. Well, you yet me crack my teeth, so we had one the younger generation deal with me this evening, along with we elders and we leaders of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So I got with we Sister Xavier, all right? So I want to crack my teeth for find out what the children think for this year. What's going on, Zay?
Nothing much. How are you?
I doing well. How honor to do?
I'm making it, you know.
Making it.
No, I'm good, I'm
you
good.
for talking about you don't just make them. Who you think you is? You must think you one of the elders instead of one of the children and the top of you making it.
I feel tired, but I'm good.
Oh, great God, now you're going worse than that. Now, y'all leave children in first work it and y'all talk about tired.
I'm
You
blessed.
can't get tired. There we go. That's
Okay,
much better.
I'm blessed.
blessed. Okay, then. Let's deal from that.
Okay.
We'll deal with manners and children on another episode. But okay. So now, Zay, how Hunter feel? You grow up knowing Hunter Gullah Geechee.
It feels good to be a part of this community. I feel culturally enriched because it's something that I can say I belong to, and it's something I can say is a part of me. So, and the love that comes from it, and being a part of it from a young age, from you, from my mom, from everybody. It's been always welcoming, and I've always just loved that about it.
That is a blessing to hear, because many times we don't get to hear from y'all, because y'all do just what you did a while ago. You know, you give these one-word answers, monosyllabic, so we have no idea what's going on in there.
That's
so
true.
Some people think y'all don't have anything going on in there. But I wanted to talk with you because I want people to know that plenty of our Gullah Geechee youth, younger people, our young adults, y'all have a lot going on in here, especially as it relates to the culture and the community and your pride in it. I see you got your proudly, authentically Gullah Geechee t-shirt. You can get those at www.gullahgeechee.biz. Okay? So now, but truly, you need to come to Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Forget these, because these are hot items, just like this year. They don't stay on the website. Most of the people who got them is because they do the work, see? They're there in the community doing the work. And so many times y'all haven't seen Zay's face in front of the camera, because many times she's been behind the camera for us. But those who have come to our Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival last year, you'll say, that's the lady that took my money. Right? Because she was right there on the front gate and on the front door and greeting the people. And so people were really blessed to see you there last year, because they were like, oh wow, there's young people and they're involved and they're working. Oh wow, y'all really doing great things here in the nation. I wish I was Gullah Geechee. That's what a lot of people say to me. But now, how does it feel to grow up here, be born and raised in Nassau County, and then be here for a night like tonight? This is not the first year you've come when I've gotten the proclamation. But how does it feel to you to be here and know that your county is honoring our culture?
It feels like it's come full circle to be here, like I said before, as a child, and now I'm 20 years old. I'm going to be 21 in November. I mean, that's a long time to see kind of how the environment has developed, and to see it, the place where I grew up, appreciating my culture feels really special. It feels, you know, like really unique and you know, unified to kind of bridge the gap between those two, you know, different, you might say different communities, because, you know, they might, express in different ways, but they still come together in the end, and that's what's important to me, because both communities are a part of who I am, so it's really nice to bridge those together.
Those gaps, yeah. And it's wonderful you use the word unified, because you know that's always what we talk about with the Gullah Geechee Nation, how our ancestors, which is on your shirt and on the flag, right, that they came together, and it's their unity that created Gullah Geechee culture. That's how they put together all the amalgamation of the languages, because instead of thinking they were each other's enemy, they were able to work together, as we sing, work together, children, right? Okay, and so that way they put all that together, and that's why everything we do is that circle. And you know that because you've been in the circle since you've been a Lily one like a this year, and whatnot. And so it's a blessing to see you grow up, to continue to take pride in your culture, not run from it or say, oh no, I can't wait to get away from these people, you know, whatnot, but instead to run back home every break you get to say, no, I want to be there. When's our celebration this year? I'm going to be there. So we appreciate you. We love you. The love is still there. And you keep sharing who we do and things like that. We're the one of the grind, okay?
I will.
Like
I love you all as well.
Thank you. Don't shame me.
I will.
Want to know that?
Yes.
Okay then. Love you.
Love you too.
We love Hunter Chillin' too. So just stick with we. This year the Gullah Geechee TV. Well, how Hunter Chillin' to do? You know who I done and thing like that. And Retta was Hunter Chillin' done know who this year done. Any? Hunter done see Representative Glenda Simmons Jenkins on plenty of these episodes of Gullah Geechee TV, especially if we did right here in the home county, with a Nassau County, Florida and thing like that. And Retta was when we were going all the way down to that river I always crack my teeth about 35 mile inland, the St. John River. She was part of the founding of the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Committee of Northeast Florida. You understand? And she the we representative for the Gullah Geechee Nation. So he's so glad for her. Yeah, Representative Simmons Jenkins one more again.
again.
One more again. So how you feel this evening, but we get this, your proclamation again this year?
It's just phenomenal. I mean, it is wonderful to see where the work we've done here has come.
Yes.
You know, I remember when we say Gullah Geechee and we'd hear crickets.
Right, cicadas and crickets and stuff, right?
But now people are embracing it, they're identifying with it. And it's also wonderful that the county understands that it doesn't make sense to deny the role that's been played in our being here.
Absolutely right.
And the continuation of our culture.
Right.
As we carry on doing what we do, being who we are,
Absolutely.
and not denying
Who we are. Now that's a critical point you just made, the last part, denying who we are. Really, the county probably is only doing better because they do know better, right? Because I know when I first started coming down here with the beach lady, God bless her dead, and first started going to American Beach, if you mentioned Gullah Geechee, them folks was like, I read about you in a book, and I might have seen you in a documentary, and I'm going, well, who are y'all?
That's right.
You know, and they did not identify as being Gullah Geechee, so of course the county officials didn't think any Gullah Geechees were here.
Exactly.
Right?
Right.
Yeah, and so it seemed like first Amelia Island seemed like they embraced the concept and really grasped who were those people at Old Town, right?
That's right.
And then now the whole county goes, well, wait a minute, if those are the black people at Old Town, what about the rest of the people? Right, Franklin Town and Yeddi, you know, let's keep going, Nassauville, and O'Neill, yeah. So now, how do you see this, like going into the celebration and then beyond it? Now the county is broadening their scope. We even got a commissioner tonight that's speaking Gullah.
Right.
You know, how do you see that? Like, what vision do you see coming out of this time?
We're really at a critical point in terms of our culture being acknowledged.
Yes.
There is a convergence of something happening.
A shift.
And that's right.
Mm-hmm.
And it started years and
Decades
decades ago.
Mm-hmm.
It was just a seed, you know, with us hearing individually the call all along the coast to do our part, to remember our ancestors. And when you talk about when we said Gullah Geechee, and people would say, well, I heard about
you. Yeah.
They would say to me, well, my grandparents are from South Carolina. My grandparents are from Georgia.
Yeah.
And the work that's gone into helping people connect the dots and understand you can't be disconnected from Gullah Geechee
if your grandparents are Gullah Geechee.
Exactly.
Right.
So where I see us now is, like my daughter said, she used the term full circle.
Absolutely.
Something is happening that's closing
In the circle.
on a totality of recognition and acknowledgement. When you look at where you've been internationally this year, when you look...
Or just yesterday in Barbados.
That's right.
I woke up in Barbados and went to sleep in the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Okay, absolutely. When you look at what's happening on the United States level, with you being before one of the congressional committees regarding
absolutely.
climate change.
Earlier this year.
And now the talks, what was it, last week, about reparations?
Absolutely.
There is an undeniable acknowledgement that's happening about people of African descent broadly.
Absolutely.
And that is going to narrow itself to a conversation about Gullah Geechee people. And so this is what I see happening right now. Is that we are closing in on something very important and significant spiritually.
Yes,
that's why
spiritually.
This is not the time to go asleep on your heritage.
Thank you.
This is not the time.
Right.
Now is the time to be vigilant.
Yes.
To be prayerful.
Yes.
To stand strong. And to stand tall.
Absolutely.
In embracing what our ancestors did so much.
Right.
And lost so much to fight, to keep.
Right, to hold on,
and
to remnant at least.
Exactly. So that's where we are.
Right.
Don't sleep on Gullah Geechee people, don't sleep on African people. Because God has a season.
There's always a season.
He has a season, and this is his time.
Absolutely.
And he is allowing for a lot of things to happen that no one really could see.
Right, they didn't foresee it.
And I say locally in Nassau County, he's setting some things in order. Because there are people in high places right now who appreciate our culture and they are willing to embrace and stand and say, this is a good thing for us as a community.
Absolutely.
So I am appreciative that those people are in place because I know it's divinely ordered.
Yes, it is, and we've done what thus say the Lord.
That's right.
So we can
Obedience.
witness that, yes, obedience is better than sacrifice. And it's such a critical point you make about our tradition, our heritage, our culture, not sleeping on it at this divinely appointed time. Because this is the International Decade of People of African Descent. What greater time is there for us to celebrate who we be beyond February, people? Beyond February? Okay. So with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, we didn't wait for the UN to declare the decade. We've been celebrating that way before there was a UN decade. It just enhances it that much more and allows the African diaspora to come closer together. And then as a sort of microcosm of that diaspora, you have the Gullah Geechee diaspora that, like you pointed out, is closing in, is, as Xavier pointed out, coming full circle to reconnecting to who we are and things like that. So I'm sure it was divinely ordered also that we would have a homecoming in Barbados. And then it'd be the next day that I got to be in Florida again, because I flew from Florida to begin with over there, to land back in Florida, to stand in Florida, to hear one of the folks speak Gullah, the end of it, but say it proudly and be proud that he got it right. So now, Hunter children out on the need for be proud and things like that. If you crack your teeth and thing in Gullah Geechee and things like that, and for make sure Hunter get them right and things like that, you need for first try. It say there ain't nothing be failure but trying. Okay, and so that's why we don't let the children say, "Oh, I'm tired" and this and that. You can't be tired when you ain't start yet. Okay. And so as the elders would tell us, you hardly get you just get you steady. Okay, but we have been working a long time. Mr. Rhodes has been working a long time. Oh yes, our representative, Ms. Jean, has been working a long time. They have been toiling for this day, just like their elders and their ancestors toiled for this day, so that we could all say we to shout together and things like that, that we truly hold upon the culture. But first, we have a healing land. So we're taking a stand on this land in Nassau County, children, and we to work together for truth and things like that, because that's just what we do. So we looking forward to 100 children coming on true. Remember, last week of July, going around to that first week, all weekend of August and things like that, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week this year. Yeah, if Hunter said, well, what will be going on? Follow me at GullahGeecheeNation.com. If Hunter did on Instagram and Twitter, it'll at Gullah Geechee, and that way Hunter going Yeddi all of what going on and things like that. But Hunter know if you did with me, you going to know what going on. Queen Quet, who I be, and I glad it. Hunter going to celebrate with me the Gullah Geechee right here in Nassau County. Peace and blessing, everybody.